Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So today we are decorating my client's house. She lives in this gorgeous neighborhood with 3-story townhouses. Look at the view from her front porch. I mean, how beautiful is that? So this is her master bedroom. I mean, she already has such a gorgeous home to work with. Beautiful tray ceilings, tons of natural lighting. Plus, she already had some really pretty paint colors going on. And then she also had these long, gorgeous burnt orange curtains. So guys, rewind back in time where I did my Burlington haul maybe like a couple weeks ago. Well, the Burlington haul was for her home. And so today I'm going to show you how I ended up decorating. So guys, first I'll start by showing you guys the master bath. The master bathroom is inside of her bedroom. What a treat. I mean, who wants to share your bathroom with anyone else? So it's just wonderful that she has this space to herself. So over here on this wall, I bought this picture from Ross. It was $9.99. And then a little Starburst I had on hand. All of the bath accessories are from Ross. Really, really love that design. Absolutely gorgeous. And these were super inexpensive. Um, so as far as the curtains, these are the same curtains that are in Mackenzie's room. Picked them up from Amazon. And the picture over the toilet was from the Burlington haul. Doesn't it really, really complement that dark gray color on the walls very well? And that flower is from Ross. And then, of course, you gotta have a blinged out toilet brush holder. I mean, why not? These curtains are by Lush Decor. They are one of my favorite home decor companies. And this little triangular shelf with the toilet paper is like my absolutely favorite thing out of this whole makeover. The towels are from Target, and this luxurious noodle rug is from Ross. I was really, really happy to find one with this kind of satiny sheen. And then it's also long. So I like a nice long rug. That way you don't have to worry about having one or two little small ones. I just think that the longer rugs make a nicer impact. So yeah, this is the bathroom. So guys, my client wanted her bedroom to feel like a hotel. She travels a lot for work. And so it was most important to her that her bedroom feel like a luxury hotel. So since she already had the burnt orange curtains, I decided to work with that color scheme. These gorgeous chairs I actually painted myself. I found them on Facebook Marketplace for $40, and I refreshed them with a coat of burnt orange chalk paint. And the arms of the chairs are spray painted gold. And I accented them with this cute little rug, which is from Amazon. To add some texture and pattern, I added these cream shaggy pillows with smaller kidney pillows in an orange and white print. Behind the bed, I really wanted to keep things simple, so I just added these 3 gorgeous mirrors from Hobby Lobby. Make sure you guys shop Hobby Lobby when they have 50% off sales. That's when you get the best deals. And then I used this picture that I picked up from Burlington to incorporate some more of the orange and golds and grays. The client's bed is existing and also her nightstands, but I added these gorgeous lamps. Look at the inside of that lampshade. Isn't that beautiful? And those are from Burlington. My client's bedding is actually from Wayfair. So I wanted to keep her bedding neutral in color, but I wanted to incorporate some more pattern. So I chose this lovely damask print bedding. Her bed is a California king, so I knew that whatever bedding I put on the bed was going to really become a focal point. On my design questionnaire, the client mentioned that she did not want to get rid of her curtains. She sleeps in late and her curtains are room darkening, so she's like, the curtains must stay. So I found that picture in between the curtains at Burlington. I thought it was perfect because it incorporated all of her colors, and the white vase with the red, I don't know what you call those, was already existing in the client's space. So guys, the two small pictures on the side of the TV are actually Dollar Tree DIYs. So I really can't wait to show them to you guys. I think they turned out absolutely beautiful, super, super simple, and easy to make. So I want to say thank you so much, Francina, for letting me decorate your home. She is such a joy and pleasure to work with. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you aren't already following me, please follow my business page at cozyinteriorsbyxi or follow me personally at missfashionably@gmail.com. I have lots more client makeover videos to show you guys, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.